We all know that a well-balanced meal can pretty much set the tone for the day. Not only does it keep us energetic, productive, give us lesser cravings and headaches, it also helps in making sure we are not constipated. Yet, most often than not, we look at what is the simplest thing we can put together, thereby end up eating the same 4 vegetables, the same 2 meals, and towards the end of the week get bored of it, order out, gain weight and lose health. A simple solution to this vicious cycle is to plan your meals. Planning your meals have a lot of advantages, and I'm going to just list out 3 of them. First, it saves time. Yes, you spend a little amount of time on the weekend planning your meals for the week, but it makes sure that through the week you have so much more time, or rather you save so much more time, especially after a long tiring day at work. Second, it improves your nutrition. When you sit down to plan your meals, you're thinking of what's available locally, what's in season, and over time you also actually come up with some interesting recipes. Third, saves money. People think that eating healthy is expensive. Not quite so. If you plan your meals in advance, it can prevent you from ordering those expensive lunchtime meals or those quick dinner takeaways. In fact, a lot of my clients come back and tell me on how much money they've saved at the end of the month because of our 7-day meal plan. A lot goes into making your meals nourishing and healthy to ensure that you're getting what you need for your growth and repair, you're eating healthy, and at the same time you're preventing those diet related illnesses. If you want this done for you, send us a DM. We'll make sure that your meals are not just healthy, they're interesting and not too time consuming as well.